In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to provide a direct download link to a file hosted on the Files tools in HubSpot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your HubSpot account and navigate to the Files area. If you're on a paid plan, this is under Content, then Files. If you're using the free tools, you can reach it from Marketing, then Email, Email Tools, and Files. Either path will land you in the same Files manager where all your uploaded assets live. Once you're in Files, scan the list to locate the file you want to share. You can use the search box or filters if you have many items. When you see the file, click its file name to open the Details view. This action brings up a right-hand panel with more information about that asset rather than downloading it right away. In that right-hand panel, look for a section labeled Access and URLs. That's where HubSpot stores the publicly accessible addresses for the file. The panel shows different URL options depending on how your account is configured, and it's the place to pick the exact link you'll share with others. Next, choose the link type you need by using the File URL by Domain dropdown. You'll typically see the default HubSpot or content.net domain, and if your account has a connected custom domain, you'll see that as an option too. Selecting a custom domain will make the URL look more on-brand and can help with trust and tracking in emails or on your website. The HubSpot or content.net option is perfectly fine if you don't have a custom domain connected. After you select the URL you prefer, click the Copy URL button that appears next to your chosen link. That copies the direct address to your clipboard, so you can paste it into an email, a landing page, a chat, or anywhere else you want people to download the file. A few quick tips to wrap up. Make sure the file's access settings allow recipients to view or download it. If the file is restricted, the link won't work for others. It's a good practice to paste the URL into a new browser tab or an incognito window to confirm it behaves as expected. Also note that some file types may open in the browser rather than automatically downloading, depending on the browser's settings. This is normal and not specific to HubSpot. That's all there is to it. A simple, reliable way to create a direct download link from HubSpot's Files tool.